Hakasi thought ding ka khat nyo trek hakasin ka baar jong ko All India Media Conference hadin ka jingekran jong u Gyanish Kumar Chief Election Officer jong ka Election Commission of India la ailat Nongpathai Khubor ban kali jingkylli halor kimat kiba ïadei bat ka election ba kynhup ya ka jing penrung kerteng thama nong thap vote ka jing penlong ya election ha ki jala bat bun ki wei bat kiman Hakate ka benta kali jingkylli Nongpathai Khubor na ki jala ba pher kynhup ru ya Nongpathai Khubor na mikhalia kilabu ki jingkylli ki ba Chief Election Officer jang Election Commission ula hab ban jubab ka wei hadin ka wei ban pinhun ya nongkylli jingkylli
और जनगणना के विधानसभा से
फरवरी और मार्च में
सर ऐसा प्रस्तावित है जब तक डेट है
प्रस्ताव हो गया
सर हमेशा जो हुआ है सर हमेशा पिछले 3 चुनाव में सर फरवरी मार्च में चुनाव होने होता है
अच्छा
सर जनगणना और
अच्छा तो क्या करना चाहिए प्रस्ताव तो हो गया मुझे क्या बोलना कुछ बोलना है क्या
सर जनगणना फरवरी में होनी है तो दोनों काम साथ साथ कैसे
मुझे समझ गया प्रस्ताव आप दे चुके हो जनगणना आप करा रहे हो मुझे कुछ बोलना है क्या
हम कहना ये चाहते हैं
यूपी में चुनाव आमतौर पर फरवरी मार्च में होते हैं
आमतौर पर आम कहाँ मिलता है मलियाबाद में
जनवरी में आप एसआईआर लगा देते हैं उसी समय जनगणना हो रही है
इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिलता है इधर
जनगणना भी उसी समय
इधर इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिलता है
बैठिए प्लीज आप बैठिए प्लीज यू मेड योर
to NRC and around 1.58 lakh
What is the
names
question?
deleted during the SIR. So my question is, sir, how can the Election Commission ask the people of the Manipur to have confidence in the electoral process when this concern remain unresolved? What assurance can you give that the election will genuinely reflect the will of the legitimate electorate?
Thank you.
सर
My question.
But
Just a sec. We are having an interaction.
So I'm doing the interaction.
Please listen to them. We are having an interaction. Please sit down. I'll ask. You can speak. No problem. We are having an interaction with our family.
Director General of this institute, which is one of the largest institutes in the world, Mr. Rakesh Verma, Mr. Manish Garg, our Senior Deputy Election Commissioner, is just back from Bhutan. We have my partial namesake, Senior Deputy Election Commissioner, Mr. Gyanish Bharti. We have Bhanu, Deputy Election Commissioner. We have Deputy Election Commissioner Sanjay, and of course, the Director General Media, Mr. Ashish Goyal. And my dear friends who take care of Election Commission, I suppose, when the communication is to be done to a large number of people. This is a much awaited conference. As the Constitution, the electoral laws, and the instructions of the Commission, the entire staff of the Election Commission did one exercise. And that was to find how many stakeholders are there. Like, for example, you have Chief Electoral Officer, District Electoral Officer, Returning Officer, Electoral Registration Officer, Booth Level Officer, Booth Level Agent, Political Party, etc., etc. And we had 28 of them. I think we have had conferences with everybody. But the most important stakeholder, and that is the media, took us some time to reach you, make the logistics, and I am so happy that from various parts of the country, you all are here as a family of the Election Commission of India from now onwards. I will give some information to you. It's an interaction, and thereafter I'll answer your questions also. I'm yours. You can shoot at me. Elections in India are held as per Constitution electoral laws and instructions of the Election Commission of India. Even I can't. You know why? The number of electors in the electoral roll of the country changes by 8% every year. Let's say 8 crores every year changes. You know what it means? 63 lakhs per month, 152 per hour, and 3 per second. So by the time I tell you the number, that number is old. These are the changes which happen in electoral rolls every year, every month, every hour, every minute, every second. And therefore, the Election Commission of India, when it serves, let's say approximately 95 crore electors, I'll give you a comparison so that you get a feel. What is 95 crores? 95 crores is equal to the entire electors of United States of America, Canada, entire North America, South America, Europe, South Africa, Australia. And still 8 crores are pending. All of them together do not even constitute 90 crores electors. And that is the service which your family, Election Commission of India provides year after year, elections after elections.